20. Kitchen gadgets. Your mother-in-law won't stop praising. You can't even find these in supermarkets. 20. Rice container. I had to share this rice container with you. It's different from ordinary ones. It fits perfectly into a 30cm cabinet. We used to use the old kind and rice would spill everywhere. This one has a large capacity. 10 jin. About 5 kilograms of rice still leaves extra space. The edges are raised and slanted so rice doesn't spill out. The lid has a silicone seal all around so it's airtight. You can also place star anise or garlic inside to keep bugs away without taking extra space. Buying another one for flour is also a great idea. 19. Countertop storage rack. If you want to save space and keep a small kitchen tidy, try this all-in-one countertop organizer. It has plenty of room. Knives, scissors, and utensils each have their own place. The chopstick holder is hollow, so washed chopsticks and spoons can drain directly. 2 thick cutting boards fit in the back, and the front has a magnetic pot lid holder. It uses kitchen space really well. The open hollow design keeps it ventilated so it won't get moldy or smelly like closed storage. The bottom tray collects water and can be emptied easily. It's made of creamy white carbon steel. Looks elegant and premium. 18. Trash bin plus storage rack. Don't buy just any trash can. This one combines a trash bin and storage rack perfectly. The top is a sealed, lidded trash bin so you can peel vegetables without bending down. Close the lid to block odors. The lower 2 shelves hold vegetables with easy access. It has wheels so you can move it anywhere. Great for small kitchens. 17. Crab multi-tool. Everyone who visits my home wants to take this little crab home. The left claw is a box cutter, perfect for opening packages. The right claw is mini scissors for cutting hard-to-open packaging. There's also a bottle opener. The back is magnetic so it sticks to the fridge. Cute decoration and useful tool in one. Number 16. Mini oil dispenser. This mini oil bottle is so useful everyone wants one. It lets you control the amount precisely. Great for dumplings or noodles. No need to bring big bottles to the table. Press to pour, release to stop. The spout lets oil flow back cleanly, so it doesn't drip. Easy to refill too. Having 2 at home is super practical. Number 15. Garlic and vegetable prep tool. No wonder city people prep vegetables without hurting their nails. You can peel garlic and prep veggies without using your fingers. Fast and neat. No garlic smell or dirt under your nails. It also hides a peeler underneath for ginger or potatoes. It peels thinly without waste and reaches corners easily. 14. Silicone scraper. My aunt really knows how to save food. When making dumplings and only a little filling is left stuck to the bowl, this small silicone scraper cleans it off perfectly. 13. Rolling pot organizer. This rolling organizer is great for storing pots, pans, and lids. Put it inside the cabinet and everything becomes easy to access. No more struggling to pull cookware out. Also great for spice jars and food storage. Chapter 12. Faucet, water, filter. If you have a faucet at home, attach this filter. No electricity needed. It filters sediment and tiny particles from tap water instantly. No complicated installation. It has multiple filter layers for cleaner drinking water. It also prevents splashing while washing. 11. Pot clip spoon holder. This is what spending a little money wisely looks like. Clip it to the side of your pot and your spatula has a place to rest instead of sitting oily on the counter. Soft silicone fits big or small pots. Very practical. 10. Long handle cleaning brush. Twist the neck and it changes shape. Straighten it to clean kettles, blenders, and deep containers. One brush does 2 jobs. Soft but durable bristles clean well without scratching cookware. Much better than steel scrubbers. Comfortable handle too. 9. Rice washing strainer. I first saw this at my friend's house and was amazed. Washing millet or tiny grains usually means losing some down the drain. This mesh is extra fine, so not a single grain escapes. Great for grains, noodles, flour, fruit, and more. Deep and tall, so water doesn't splash out. Number 8. Wall-mounted chopstick holder. Hang your chopstick holder on the wall. It makes cleaning easier. The door keeps dust out. After washing, just place chopsticks and forks inside. Hollow design keeps airflow moving, and the bottom tray catches water. Small hooks can hold extra kitchen tools too. 3-in-1 plate lifter. I wish I knew about this earlier. I used to use towels to lift hot dishes. This has silicone grip so bowls and plates don't slip. Works with all sizes. It also has bottle openers in the middle. Non-slip handle and lever design make it easy even for someone with less strength. Number 6. Plug hooks. Everyone who visits takes a couple of these hooks. Small appliance plugs are always left messy after unplugging. Stick these next to the outlet and hang the plug on them neatly. Comes in a set of 4 colors. 5. 3-in-1 cup lid brush. How long has it been since you properly cleaned your cup lids, especially in in summer. If you don't clean them often, it's like drinking dirty water. This brush reaches tiny gaps your hands can't. Cleans all corners of bottle lids and cups easily. Number 4, hanging trash bin. My kitchen is small, so I chose a hanging trash bin. Saves floor space. No need to move it while sweeping or mopping. Hang it on the cabinet door. The lid flips open both ways. Sweep scraps right in from the counter. No bending while peeling vegetables. Looks neat too. Number 3, wooden tree. Trivet. Everyone thinks it's just decoration, but it's actually a wooden trivet. Pull down the leaves and it opens up to hold hot plates or cups, protecting your countertop. Remove the dish and it folds back up into a tree shape. Looks beautiful and doesn't take space. Piece 2, cabinet door mesh bag holder. This little mesh bag is incredibly useful. Stick it inside a cabinet door and stuff plastic shopping bags inside. Keeps everything organized. Very stretchy and easy to use. Held in place with Velcro. 1, wall-mounted storage box for sink filters. Plastic wrap covers. This storage box is perfect for holding sink filter nets. Soft silicone opening makes it easy to pull one out without hurting your hand. Mounted above the sink so you don't need to bend down to grab replacement filters. Easy to reach and you won't forget to replace them. Holds a lot too. I bought 2. One for plastic wrap covers and one above the sink for filter nets. Super convenient.